If you are using Gmail for the first time or you haven't used Gmail for a long time and therefore you want to know how to send an email in Gmail, then this video is for you. On your Android phone, open the Gmail app. To compose a new email, in the bottom right, tap on the Compose button. In this field, you have to add recipients. Recipients are the people you are sending an email to. You can add one or more recipients here. You can also add recipients in the CC and BCC fields, which stand for carbon copy and blind carbon copy. Talking about the carbon copy, it is mostly used in the business world. Suppose if I want to send an email to my manager about a new project and I also want my colleague to know about this matter, then I will add my colleague in CC. Blind carbon copy is similar, but it hides the recipient's email ID from everyone else. Add a subject here which tells your recipients what the email is about. Write your message in the body. You can also attach a file if you want. At the top of the page, tap on the send icon. Now, if you think there was some mistakes in your email or you want to make some changes, you can unsend it by tapping on the undo option here. If you want to see the email you sent, tap on the menu icon here and then select send from the list. If you like this video, then press the like button, and if you want to get notified about my upcoming videos, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you.